Hi everyone, welcome back to Today with Tino. Today we're going to be making this delicious dip perfect for a party. So let's get right into it. For this dip, you're going to chop some red peppers. It really doesn't matter how big you are going to cut your red peppers because we are still going to throw them in the blender. The second ingredient we need is feta cheese. Yep, that's right, feta cheese. And some garlic. Initially, I wanted to use 3 garlic cloves, but I realized that would just be too much and the dip will end up being too tangy, so 1 should be more than enough. Add a little bit of olive oil. Put all these ingredients into the blender. Close it up and blend it up. My blender started giving me some issues. But anyways, we prevailed. And there it is, all mixed up. Pour your dip into something nice where you want to serve it from. For garnishing, I used dry parsley. If you have fresh parsley, that would be perfect. For serving, I'm going to use these Lay's sweet and smoky American barbecue chips. However, you can use your favorite chip flavor. For a healthier option, you can use carrot sticks or cucumber sticks. And that is it. Go ahead and let your guests enjoy that dip. Enjoy the party on my behalf. Bye.